Let's go to creating audiovisual aids using software tools. The first one is Adobe Premier Pro. Adobe Premier Pro is a video editing software tool that is widely used by professionals. It provides a wide range of features for editing and enhancing videos, including effects, transitions, and color grading. Adobe Premiere Pro also provides tools for creating motion graphics and animation, making it a versatile tool for creating audiovisual aids. Another one is Adobe After Effects. Adobe After Effects is a motion graphics and visual effects software tool that can be used to create animations, titles, and sequences. After Effects provides a wide range of features for creating and animating text, images, and other graphics. It also provides tools for compositing and keying, allowing users to seamlessly blend visual elements together. Another one is Powtoon. Powtoon is a cloud-based animation software tool that allows users to create animated videos and presentations. Powtoon provides a wide range of templates and assets that can be used to create engaging and visual appealing content. It also provides for creating animated characters and objects, making it a useful tool for creating audiovisual aids. Another one is Camtasia. Camtasia is a screen recording and video editing software tool that is commonly used for creating software tutorials and training videos. Camtasia provides a wide range of features for recording and editing video and audio, including tools for adding effects, transitions, and annotations. It is also useful for creating animated visual aids such as annotations and callouts. Another one is Audacity. Audacity is a free open source audio editing software tool that is widely used by professionals and beginners alike. It provides a wide range of features for editing and enhancing audio recordings, including noise reduction, equalization, and compression. Audacity is particularly used for creating audiovisual aids that require clear and crisp audio, such as narration and voiceover. In conclusion, using software tools to create audiovisual aids in an effective way to design professional-looking and engaging presentations. Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, Powtoon, Camtasia, and Audacity are some of the commonly used software tools for creating audiovisual aids. By choosing the appropriate software tool and utilizing its features, presenters can create audiovisual aids that enhance the audience understanding and engagement, making the presentation more effective and memorable.